Okay, so what we have here with these doors is during the day you can just open up, you can get fresh air with just opening up the two outer doors. And these doors have what we call drop hinges. So you can actually just lift them right up and put them down. This way you're getting the fresh air during the day and it's not just hanging there banging around. Now here's the mesh. You can see it on both sides. Both these doors have the drop hinges. Okay, so you can just lift that right up. Or you could open the whole thing. As you see, it can open up the whole thing, and also for cleaning purposes, I have the bottom door which will just drop down almost like a pickup, and inside it has the bolt, like a bolt action inside on each side, and that just comes down and you can just clean right out. You got a little ladder going up there because I'm doing the deep litter method, and that just clicks there and that clicks there. This door also has a bolt on top for securing. You would secure that and then close this side right here, and you can just leave this during the day. Now this drop hinges, you can just put this right back on. Like I said, just hangs on like this, like that, and close, and same on the other side. Just drop that on and close for that night. So that would be perfect for the night. Close it up. Now the hinge door on the bottom, this way you can actually open up and clean the bottom of underneath the coop. So I have a hinge there.